Hey guys, Brandon from Campaign Wizard here. Today we're going to cover how to use HubSpot's drag and drop email editor. So what's awesome about it is very user friendly. All emails are still responsive across all devices and email clients, so that's great. HubSpot does give you a ton of templates to choose from to get going. As you start saving your own templates, you'll notice that there's a custom tab where those templates will save as well. For the sake of this video, let's just start out with a simple email, and we'll show you how easy it is to go ahead and add elements, edit elements, and you could clone them, delete them. Super simple to do. So let's say we want to go ahead and put up our brand's logo up top. Click image, choose which image you want, you can adjust the size, add a link to your website, change the alignment. Very easy to do. Now let's go ahead and add a video below our text box right here. Select. You'll see it populates down there. Once again, you can edit the size of it, the style. And then let's say we want to add a call to action under our video. So someone watches our video, we want them to take action from it. So let's go ahead and add our link right there, change it up. And let's say we want to go ahead and change the color of our call to action. And although we like Arial, let's use Tahoma. That looks good to go. Go ahead and click done. One cool thing about this, if you're finding that you're using sections over and over in different emails, that could be a newsletter or sales email, you can go ahead and click save the section. And what HubSpot will do is it will save it down here. So whenever you create an email and you have your favorite sections that you guys are using in your emails, those will be down there. You literally drag the whole section and it will populate. If you wanted to make any adjustments on a module, you just go ahead and click into it. And then you could see over here the design. So different text styles, different templates right here. You can, obviously you don't have to be a bland white background. And then let's go ahead and add one more text box down here. And we'll just snag our email signature and replace that down here. All right, good to go. And then I don't think I have a footer saved. But that is where you would add your footer. You could see it defaults with a footer down there, but if there's a custom footer that you guys use, that's where you would add that. One other awesome thing, so this is where you would save these as a template. Click Save Email as Template. Then, as I mentioned earlier, if you have something like a newsletter, just go ahead and save your newsletter template. That way, every time you are writing your newsletter, you have everything ready to rock and roll. And then you could easily, if you need to swap out your header image, change your copy, change up some looks, change up some images in relation to the content of the email, it's very easy to do so. But then you already have that blueprint there for you, so you're not creating it from scratch. As always, make sure you have the correct sender information, and then make sure you're sending a test email to yourself, checking all the links, making sure there's no copy errors, all that fun stuff that goes with email marketing. So yeah, that's it. As you can see, super easy to use. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to our Campaign Wizard channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer those. Thank you.